Learn animal names with Kids Spark. Hey kids, come on, let's get started. A for alligator. B for bee, honeybee. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H, hippo. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nightingale. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for raccoon. S for seal. T for turtle. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for whale. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Let's have a recap. Animal names.